Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's May again from Muzzik Unlimited, and today I'm going to show you the lovely Broad Street shops here on board the Discovery, and you'll also get to meet their wonderful staff here. So come on, let's discover a great variety of ranges here at Broad Street shops, such as fragrances, watches, jewelry, fashion, confectionery, souvenirs, and a lot more. So Broad Street Shops is located on Deck 5, midship. And this is Jupta, one of the lovely staff here. And like I said, these shops have a great range of duty-free products, and it's open when the ship is at sea. Oh, I love this place. So here you can take advantage of 15% off high street prices, and you'll be able to make some great savings on the latest products from famous brands. That's a good price. Oh no, someone's hiding. So, meet the beautiful Lana, and she's in charge in this area. Hi Lana. Thank you. Come on, let's go inside. I love watches. Look at those jewelry. Girls' best friends. And I want to say hello. Hi. Hello. That's me. And that's Romeo. And this is the handsome Jatin. Hello Jatin. He's very, very nice. Very friendly as well. And these are the souvenirs. They have bags as well. Sunglasses. Pandora and Swarovski. And meet the lovely Rodrigo from Mexico. Hi, Rodrigo. Oh, love this. Chocolates, sweets. And hi, Neverly, one of our friends here. And of course, Diego, one of the photographers here on board. Hi, guys. Oh, I love those bags. Now this area is for kids. Oh, they're on sale. These are the souvenirs. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe so that you'll be notified if we have some new uploaded videos. And I think Romeo is there. Hi, Romeo. Okay. Jump. Once again, thank you for watching. Sending love from May and Romeo. God bless. Take care.